Okay, go easy here, Conrad. You're just about to the fire hydrant. Just want to make sure you're going to get over top of it.
I'm going to go around the fire side. Everybody got a copy?
10-4, Dave.
Copy? Hi, Dave.
Okay, don't let any more come down this street.
Copy that. The only obstruction is the stop sign here, I believe, and you might be able to just get away with taking the stop sign itself off. Should be able to sneak through there and go straight out. Just shy of 20 feet to the post from this brick wall, like straight across.
You're looking good back here, Conrad.
Beautiful. Alright, so I'm completely blind on that back piece there.
Yeah, 10-4. You're looking good here. Just keep her like that. You're going to clear the trucks on the left here. Clear on the left.
Alright, so what side do we want here? Do we want our side or do we want oncoming? Dave, what do you think? You don't want your side. The oncoming's too narrow. We're coming back.
Come on back. Okay, you're clearing the stop sign on the right here. And you're clearing the post and the tree on the left. Okay, just hold up here till they get Tressler cut off, and then we can sneak her through. How are you on the stop sign on the right there, Conrad? I'm watching your left.
I'm going to have to come to my left a little bit.
Okay, you got about a foot.
How much do I have on the stone there, Gary? Okay, I'm going to go like right tight on the stop sign here, so I'm going to see if I can do a little bit of a wiggle. I might back up a little bit here if you got space back there.
Yep, we got space.
Okay, coming back.
Got about 30 feet here, Conrad, to work with. Okay, we ready to pull straight out? Just hold on, get him to shut it down.
Yeah, I'm ready whenever.
Alright, Dave and Linda, get her all shut down. Let us know when you got it.
Yeah. Dave, are we shutting it down?
10-4. You guys got her to the left here, Dave and Linda? Got her?
We got her.
What's the last car? 10-4, we're good to go, Conrad.
That back escalade was the last one?
I believe so. Okay, roll. Straighten up. Straighten up. You're clear.
Alright, good to roll.
Okay, we're coming up, guys.
Your truck there, Linda, you're ready to go. We gotta be in front of them for this ramp. Yep, as long as these people stay put, they figure out he's coming. The first two here don't my end, just these ones should figure it out. I go ahead and nose up the ramp because you're going to have to stop them from coming up the ramp eventually here in a sec. No problem. Room on the right.
Lots of room on the left here, Conrad. Keep her like that.
Got that one box on the right-hand side there, about 2 feet from the curb. Looks good on the right.
Looking good all the way around here on the back there, Conrad.
Beautiful. Lots of room on the right. Fair bit of traffic coming right up once in a while.
You're just up on the curb here now. I got one lane here. Keep her rolling. Keep it rolling. I got one more car coming by, and then we got both. Okay, we got her. Bring her right down the center there, Conrad.
The line. Right here. Lots of room on the right.
Get on the left.
Still lots of room on the right. 5 feet.
You're over top the Jersey wall here on the left. We're clear.
Clear shots, come out.
Got one and we got two. Bring it right over. I got the left lane here. We can run these 3 lanes, leave the far one open.